this is just an hello world program where we will just understand how to print hello world. As you can see that this is the basic structure of the C program, where the main function starts with left curly brace and closes with a curly brace. What actually this main indicates, this is the name of the function and this is a special function. Why? Because this is just the starting point of the program, and here execution begins with the main function, so this is a special function here, and every C program must have this main function here. Why? Because this is the entry point of the program. We cannot have more than one main function, because if more than one main function, then it will be problem for the compiler to understand that where to start. So basically one main function is, this is the thumb rule. Now as you can see that here opening parenthesis and closing parenthesis is there. So what it indicates it as a function. Okay, now as you can see here, opening brace and closing brace. So the opening brace means the starting of the block, and this indicates the end of this block. Now here, because of the main function is the only function and within which all other things usually resides, so when the main closes, the function usually ends. So what usually this is the function body. So when the function body ends here, the main function ends here, and this closing brace also indicates the end of the program. Here as you can see, this is your first C program. This line will be ignored. Why? Because this is a comment line. How we will understand that this is the comment line? As you can see that this is a front slash star, and here the star front slash, this is a comment line statement. So when you place such kind of statement within the comment lines, the compiler ignores whatever you have written within this, so none of this will be executed. Now as you can understand that here we have called one printf function. Now what is this printf function? This printf function is an inbuilt function, because of the definition of this printf function has already been defined by the C compiler. We do not need to write the inner implementation of the printf function, because the C program has already done that for us. So whatever we will write within this quotation, everything will be printed. Anything within this, and the printf function will just print it to the console. This semicolon indicates the end of the statement. So here, if there is more than one statement, three statement, every statement should have this, for making it quite clear to the compiler that this is the end of the statement. Now if we just try executing this program, what output we are going to get? Hello world. There is no other statement, there is no other operation that we are doing here. So within the main function, when the compiler gets inside the main function, it sees the printf function is only there, so it will just print only this hello world, nothing more than that. So this is the output, hello world.